Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Martin here. Hope you're all alright. It's really good to see you all. So I've come on here just to show you a few bits I received today. I've received a package full of goodies off one of my best friends called Donna, and we met through YouTube, and we've been best friends ever since. And I'd love if you went and checked out her channel. Her name is Donna X Scratch, and she does a lot of scratch card videos, and shopping hauls. And she's just one lovely lady. She really is, and really good friend. So she sent me a lot of Halloween themed bits and pieces, because we both love Halloween. And so yeah, I'm just going to show you now all the things that I got, and they are really lovely. So we have the wizard spell from Stanford. Oh, one's just fallen out of the box. Let me show you. So these act like the incense sticks, so you just burn them, like I have this one. So yeah, so I've got those, and they smell really lovely. They come in these lovely bags, and she's really personalised as well, because she's got the stickers as well. Trick or treat, and the other one, have a spectacular Halloween. No tricks, just treats. I love these little bags, especially these ones. They remind me of the Beetlejuice, like, yeah, his costume. Got a lovely bracelet as well. It says Happy Halloween. Close your eyes and make a wish as you tie this bracelet to your wrist. When the bracelet breaks in two, the wish you made might just come true. Sent with love. And that's really sweet. I'll put that on in a moment. And I did try some of this as well. This is from the Body Shop, and it is, so it's got like a skull there, like a Day of the Dead, full of a pumpkin. The Body Shop vanilla pumpkin hand cream, and it does smell really nice. It smells like pumpkin and vanilla and all that. Yeah, that was really nice. So I did try a little bit of that earlier. And some Halloween themed sweeties there. Bats on, your bones and brains, and there's some more sweeties inside. There's Halloween themed sweets. They're so cute. Oh, look at those. My lovely card as well. And also, I'm really looking forward to trying this. I'm going to try this tomorrow before I get ready for work, in the bathroom. And it's a face mask, Holler and Glow Feline Fine Warming Face Mask. And it does say, to show you on the back, and it contains ginger, soybean and calamari. So I'll definitely be trying that out tomorrow when I'm getting ready for work, when I'm having my shower, and yeah. And one of my favourite all-time sweets, these are the Lindt Door chocolates. I've just made myself a cup of tea. actually. Make myself a cup of jar. So these will go down nicely with my cup of tea. These have to be my favourite chocolate of all times. I love these. So I'm going to look forward to tucking into these. I'm definitely going to keep these bags. I'm going to keep them because they'll come in handy for things. So, all my lovely yummy chockies. And last but not least, lovely little bag. Like, I'm trying to open it with one hand. Oh my god, I love heart keyring. Look at that. I really like brown, reddish brown. Sorry, the lighting in here is really bad, so I lovely love heart. Red jasper keyring. A simple way to carry the energies of a red jasper with you for courage, empowerment and endurance. And sorry, it's not going to focus. So it's from which casket? My phone is absolutely rubbish and it refuses to focus. Yeah, which casket? Which my friend does. She has it delivered to her, and she does a lot of which casket unboxing. So please go and check out her channel, Donna X Scratch. So I noticed it's a skull and a pumpkin. So yeah, there's the pumpkin and there's the skull. Yeah, pumpkin and the skull. Yes, poor Orith. Wherefore art thou? Now, do you remember when me and Mum were in Sainsbury's yesterday and we had that fruit drink? It was in a glass bottle. It was passion fruit and orange, I think it was. We both had the same drink. Well, this is what it looks like now. Let me show you. There it is. I just done a little bow and super glued it on there with a spider, and I just got loads of black paint and just painted it up a little bit. There it is, yeah. And also with some lights that I've got left over, I'm just popping them in to the bottle. They're not the best of lights, I must admit, but so I picked this up ages ago from Poundland. You've probably seen them in Poundland. I probably featured it in my Poundland haul a while ago. But they're silver. If you go into Poundland, you'll probably see them. So they are like silver, but I painted them with a black and grey paint. I've opened up my spider webbing and there was about 12 spiders in there. Got this in Poundland. Like I say, 12 spiders in there. And I've just taken them out. And what I've noticed with the spiders this year is they've got little clips on the back. I bet any money you like, my phone's not gonna. Yeah, they've got little clips on. You can clip them on easily to the cobweb. This is how they look before. and I'm going to put it on my little candle holder, but because the candle holder is black and so are the spiders, you're not going to see it on there. So by magic, here's one of the spiders. So I've just painted him up with a bit of white paint. Just let him wait to dry. So it's a happy Halloween from myself and Donna. Happy Halloween! So I hope you liked the video, guys. Please give it a massive big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because that really would mean a lot. And go and click the little notification bell at the side. That's the notification bell at the side, and that just lets you know when I've uploaded a video to YouTube. And again, I hope you like the video. Don't forget to drop me a comment down below, and you know I'll always get back to you. So take care, guys. I love you all. Thanks for all your love and support, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.